Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run all the Apex tests in your Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, there are two ways to do it. Either you can do it from the developer console and basically you need just to go to the setup menu and from here we will find the developer console and then after that we will need just to go to tests. And simply here we will find all your tests. And as we can see, there is an option of run all the tests. You can always run asynchronously if you would like, but all you need to do is to use run all tests. So from here, you can also click on select test if you want to select multiple tests that you want to run, and then you will need to go to settings and start uh, running them. So another way to do it is by going to your setup, and from there you will need just to search for the Apex classes. So here we need just to search for Apex, and here classes, and you will find all your Apex classes, and then you will need just to click on run all tests. So by doing that, you will find all your tests, and then you will have your tests that will be executing one by one since they are not asynchronous. So by this method, you have simply or successfully run all the tests of your uh, Salesforce or your developer development environment, and that's it. And whenever you want to add anything concerning the tests or some uh, configuration, you can just, for example, rerun or run all. You can abort to stop the tests, etc. So thank you for watching and see you next time.